tell me, currently which season is running? Is it summer or spring?
Summer for us.
Summer, right? For you, I mean, okay. But how about in US?
US also, I think it's summer.
Summer not yet started completely, but it's spring.
It is going to start. So that's what
Yeah.
it is. It is in the spring 19. Okay. So every year, Salesforce will come out with 3 versions or 3 releases. Okay. Every release they come out with new features. In winter 19, they might have come out with some features. Okay. Winter is over, right? Spring. Winter is over. Spring is currently going on. So and summer. Spring 19 currently which has some features, and they might be releasing summer 19 in another few days. I think it is already released, I think. So the difference between these releases is you will see different options. Okay, options and new functionalities gets added here. Getting my point. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so different options will get added, and also one more thing is the org what you have created is in a developer edition, but when you look into the original org, when you work with the client, okay, that's a fully enterprise edition org, fully enterprise edition. That means that you need to, here you are able to create an org without paying money, correct, to the Salesforce, right? You have not paid anything, and the license is a free license for you. You got it. But when you work in the project, okay, they need to purchase the license. They need to purchase the license per license, and that particular license will be of your what do you call uh, it's a higher version where even you get the real access to the org. Okay, where you can deploy your applications, you can build your applications, you can deploy in the sense you can directly deploy and you can start using your applications. And that particular one is a little bit expensive, and it will be charged per user, and you will also get support from Salesforce. Okay, what happens, any enterprise editions that you take, any software uh, enterprise editions that you take, okay, you will have additional features, you will have additional support also. Okay, additional support from the from that particular company. Okay, so this org is a developer org. Okay, but you don't get any support from the Salesforce because it's a free account.
Okay.
So already is giving you free, and again you are expecting support, which will not give. Okay, so this is the org, and there are 3 releases: winter 19, spring 19,
spring, and summer.
and summer. Okay, so currently they are getting into summer, and they have already released the summer 19 release. What do they do? If you want to build your career in Salesforce, what you need to do is every release notes you have to see. Okay, what do you mean by release notes? So, for example, if I see here, google.com, I'll say winter 19. Can you see? This is your winter 19 release notes. You need to have a patience to read this complete document. Okay, this will tell you what are the new things that have been incorporated in the Salesforce. New features, what are the new contents, what are the everything. Okay, so how many pages is this? It is loading. Okay, can you see 553 pages are there? What did they use? Can you see every month 10th? Okay, see new objects. Added a new API object, content document list with mapping. The associates using click documents. Okay. So 5 like this. January 15th. Okay, that's how they release it. Okay, this is not specific to a particular org, for all the orgs that are maintaining. All the for all the products they have. Okay, Einstein is an a chat. Einstein is an AI ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Einstein. Have you heard about IBM Watson? Have you heard about Alexa?
Mm-hmm.
Heard
Yes.
about Siri?
Yeah.
Those are all nothing but artificial intelligence or agents or the concept of
Yes.
Amazon uses Alexa. What do you call? Apple uses Siri. I'm not sure Google what they use it.
Google
Okay,
Home, Google also.
Google there is an assistant actually. Okay, then uh, I think Google uses Siri. I think. Okay, then IBM has Watson. Then Salesforce has Einstein. Albert Einstein.
Okay.
When you see here, you see here Einstein. It's nothing but basically you see Einstein insights.
Yes.
Okay, like this they keep on adding, and they'll remove. So you need to have a good patience to read all these things. When you read and learn, then you will be able to understand that. Okay, these are the new things got added. Can you see? Supported browsers for Lightning experience. Okay, it is enabled for all the users. Salesforce for all. Salesforce for all. Okay, complete. Then you'll become a guru, master guru in. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
that's the concept of your release notes. Might be released summer 19 also. You can refer the summer 19 release notes. Okay, but it is not compulsory that you have to go through all these things. But if you go through all these things, the work what you are doing. For example, you are working on admin means you can check the admin's changes here. If you're working on Einstein, you can change.
Mm-hmm.
You can look into your Einstein related changes. Okay, so that is about your winter notes. Okay. Similarly, you will also have your org like this. So you have sales org. I was discussing right yesterday. You'll have sales org. Sales org
Yes.
has particular options. Okay, home, chatter, campaigns, leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities. Okay, like similarly, you'll have marketing org also like this. You'll have campaign leads, contacts, opportunities, reports and dashboards. Analytics cloud we discussed. You remember? Okay, four types of
Yes.
Yeah.
clouds will be there. Then this
Yeah.
is your reports and dashboards. Okay, similarly your service. Okay, accounts, contacts, cases, solutions, reports, and dashboards for your service org. Now I want to create my own org. I want my org to come here. You're getting my
Mm.
point. I
Yeah.
want my own application to be developed and I want to see my application. People should start using my application. So that is what we are
Okay.
going to do in the next few hours. I mean, in the next coming sessions. Okay. Now
Okay.
we move on to the next topic that is called as building blocks. Okay. Now building blocks means what? Okay. So you purchased a land in Toronto and you want to start your constructing your house. So what all you require?
And
So you require land first of all.
Yes.
Land is nothing but a platform. Okay, who provided the land platform? Salesforce has given you the platform. The org what you are seeing, this org you are seeing now, is called as a platform as a service. It is nothing but your force.com. Yesterday I was telling you, remember?
yeah,
So same
force.com. You
thing
said
and
no.
service. These orgs are created on the force.com platform. Similarly, when you create an app, here when you create the app, your Salesforce, your app is created on the force.com. Okay. So that's a platform as a service. Understood? Okay.
Mm.
Now you already have a land and a platform. What are other you require? What are other things that you require?
Mm. Equipment to build a
Okay.
house, like if it in
Equipment. I require
like
bricks. I
bricks,
require
yeah, like cement.
iron. Okay. I require cement. I require mason. Okay. All these things require water also. So these are nothing but building blocks or blocks, okay, to construct your house. Without any of these things, will you able to construct your house?
No.
No. So similarly, okay, Salesforce also have building blocks. Okay, what are those building blocks are called as? Okay, standard fields, then custom fields, okay, standard objects, standard objects, custom objects. Then I'll start creating my application. I need to have object model, that all we'll discuss. Okay, now, I mean, both of you, do you know Oracle? Did you work on SQL in database?
No, did not work on
No.
the SQL, but the database, yeah,
Do you know
had some knowledge.
what do you mean by table?
Uh, Table, will be having
That
a rows and columns like a table.
very very good. Who is that? I want to see.
Pavani.
Very good, very
Thank
good.
you.
So you have table. Okay, actually, database is created with database. Database will have what tables. Okay,
Yeah.
what does this tables will have? Very good. Tables will have rows and columns. The table will
Mm.
have rows and columns. Basically, for example, if I say Excel,
Excel local term. Mm.
okay, so what you'll have, for example, I want to store employee ID, I want to store employee name, I want to store employee city, employee ID 101, employee name Shiva, city Hyderabad, Karnataka, okay, Pavani, okay, and okay, 103, Monica, okay, okay, these are called as columns,
Yeah.
Mm.
right? And
Yes.
these are
Yeah.
Rose.
Row.
I can also say rows or record. Got it?
Yes.
Mm.
Or record. And I can also say columns as fields.
Fields. Yeah.
I can also call it as attributes. I mean,
Attributes.
different way, different programming language, different. For example, Oracle we call it as table. Yes, very important point. Tables.
Mm.
Okay, we call it as rows
Row.
and columns. Okay,
Mm.
sometimes. Okay, some other database. Okay, let's say MongoDB or NoSQL, anything you take. Okay, MongoDB. Okay, there also, what do they call? They call it as table only, table only. Okay,
Mm.
but they as uh, MongoDB, they call it as table. They call it as in the table. They might call it as records, or they call it as field.
Fields.
I mean, different use it, but the concept is same.
Same. Okay. Mm.
Okay.
In database, rows we call it as. Before after rows, it is also called as tuples. It is also called as rows or tuples or records
Tuples.
or
Okay.
fields or attributes.
Attribute.
Getting my point? Okay.
Yeah.
Similarly, okay, in Java, in programming language, Java programming language, what I'll do, I'll say it as class. Okay, class is called as in a table. Okay, It is also called as, one second,
Class is called table. Okay.
so here in Java we